Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account if you're under 18. Now let's get started. First things first, it's important to understand that PayPal's official policy requires users to be at least 18 years old to create an account. However, there are many ways around this if you follow some guidelines responsibly. The best and most legal way to get a PayPal account under 18 is to have a parent or guardian create one for you. This way you can use the account with their permission. Now let's go through the steps. First, go to PayPal's website or open the PayPal app. Here you need to enter your parents or guardians details. This includes their name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to use an email that you have access to. Next, you'll need to link a bank account or a credit or debit card. This will be under your parents' or guardian's name. Follow the instructions to complete this step. PayPal will send a verification email to the email address provided. Ask your parent or guardian to check their email and click on the verification link. Once the account is set up, you can start using it with your parents or guardian's permission. Always make sure to inform them about any transactions you make. This keeps everything transparent and avoids any issues. And there you have it. That's how you can set up a PayPal account if you're under 18. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tutorials.